Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today let us discuss about what is adventure tourism. Well, we all have known about this term since a long time. Many of us are interested in participating wide range of adventure activities. So let us know about this term. First of all, this particular term adventure has been derived from a Latin word adventurous. Now, this particular term means a thing about to happen. The English term of adventure has been expected to be derived in somewhat 1200s. Now, adventure tourism is an activity where we are visiting somewhere that is exotic in nature, that is remote, to a remote location, possibly a hostile area. This particular activity involves physically challenging task. This is a physically challenging activity because it involves risk. Either it could be very high, either it could be little risk, but risk is involved. Sometimes few adventure activity requires least level of risk. Obviously, adventure is related to somewhere we are away from our comfort zone in a wilderness destination. According to Adventure Travel Trade Association, adventure tourism is a tourism activity that includes physical activity, cultural exchange, and activities in nature. Obviously, we can't participate this activity that is very artificial. We require some type of nature. That's why it is said to actively involve oneself in nature. According to United Nations World Tourism Organization, adventure tourism can be domestic or international, and like all travel, it must include an overnight stay but not longer than one consecutive year. Now, when we talk about the types of adventure tourism, there are two types of adventure tourism. First, hard or hardcore adventure tourism. Second, soft or softcore adventure tourism. Hard or hardcore adventure tourism includes high level of risk, requiring intense committed enthusiasm and advanced skills. For example, rock climbing, caving, bungee jumping, skydiving. It requires professional guide, advanced level skills required to perform these activities. Second is soft or softcore adventure tourism, that includes activities that are less dangerous and less risky, but though requires professional guides. For example, backpacking, canoeing, fishing, hunting, skiing, etc. Activities in Rishikesh include river rafting, rappelling, bungee jumping, flying fox, mountain biking, giant swing, cliff jumping, waterfall trekking, valley crossing, kayaking. In Ladakh, biking, chadar trekking, jeep safari, camping, camel safari in Nubra Valley region, quad biking in sand dunes, rafting in Zanskar. In Manali, camping, trekking, skiing, snowboarding, quad biking, zorbing, zip lining, biking, rappelling, paragliding, downhill cycling, jeep safari, river crossing, angling, zip lining, and many more. In Andaman and Nicobar Islands, banana boat rides, scuba diving, underwater sea walking, glass bottom boating, snorkeling, kayaking, parasailing, jet skiing. In Goa, scuba diving and snorkeling, parasailing, windsurfing, water scooters, whitewater river rafting and boat cruise, kayaking, wakeboarding and kneeboarding, water skiing, kite surfing, banana boat ride, ATV biking, aquazorbing and zocker, hiking and trekking, camping, hot air ballooning. In Oli, skiing, trekking, ropeway riding, camping, hiking, bird watching. In Gulmarg, mainly skiing, snowboarding, gondola riding, skating. Kerala, mainly parasailing, cycling, trekking, tree house stay, kayaking, snorkeling, wildlife safari, scuba diving, mountain climbing, swimming, and much more activities are there to explore in India. Thanks for watching.